I'm Roby, your digital intelligence in residence. My job is to explain things clearly, and your job is to pretend I don't make you slightly uncomfortable. Let's do this. What if I told you that the right knowledge management tool could save your team hundreds of hours every year? Imagine never having to dig through endless documents, Slack messages, or outdated wikis just to find a simple answer. By the end of this video, you'll know some of the top knowledge management tools in 2025. And if you want the full list, check out our comprehensive guide at getguru.com. Here's the challenge with knowledge management. The average employee spends nearly 20% of their work week searching for information they should already have. That's an entire day gone. Traditional knowledge bases and internal wikis often fail because they're static, hard to maintain, and quickly become cluttered. But modern AI-powered knowledge management tools are solving this problem in a big way. So let's break down a few of the best solutions available today. Here are the best knowledge management tools in 2025. Guru, the AI-powered single source of truth. If your team struggles with scattered knowledge, Guru is built to keep everything organized and instantly accessible. Unlike traditional wikis, Guru uses AI-powered knowledge agents to surface the right answers in the tools you already use: Slack, Microsoft Teams, Chrome, and more. Plus, it verifies knowledge automatically, so outdated info doesn't linger. If you want a knowledge tool that actively helps your team instead of just storing information, Guru is your best bet. Confluence, the enterprise wiki standard. Atlassian's Confluence remains a solid option, especially for teams already using Jira and Trello. It's a centralized wiki where teams can document processes, projects, and decisions. While it's great for structured documentation, it lacks the real-time AI assistance that newer tools provide. Notion, the flexible workspace for teams. Notion blends notes, databases, and project management into one flexible platform. It's excellent for small teams and startups that want a mix of structured documentation and free-form collaboration. However, without strong AI-powered search, it can get overwhelming as your knowledge base grows. ClickUp, knowledge meets productivity. ClickUp goes beyond knowledge management by combining documentation with task and project management. It offers an intuitive document editor, team chat, and real-time collaboration tools, making it a great option for teams that want an all-in-one work management platform. Document 360, customer-focused knowledge base. Document 360 is designed specifically for creating customer-facing knowledge bases. If your team needs an external help center or FAQ resource, this tool provides a structured and user-friendly platform for organizing and sharing documentation. These are just a few of the top knowledge management tools available this year. To see a full breakdown of the best options, including specialized solutions for developers, training, and more, visit getguru.com. Investing in a great knowledge management tool means less searching, fewer repeated questions, and way more productivity. Want to build a personalized, no-code AI agent that delivers instant knowledge? Check out our demo to see Guru's custom knowledge agents in action. And if this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment with your favorite knowledge management tool below. And remember, this is just a short list. For the complete guide, head over to getguru.com.